So the exciting job for now is to put 3 lights up here and figure out what all these are. All these lights coming out, emergencies and carry-on feeds and all sorts. So isn't this going to be fun? Firstly though, let's mount the lights up onto this where we can peel this back and mount the lights. So at the advantage to open up what we've got, anti-corrosive battens for a commercial kitchen, fantastic. What we want to do is get them out. Oh, sugar, nearly dropped it. And look, they're all in cellophane, which is lovely. Let's find out what we've got inside. These clips can just pull towards you and push off, he says. Oh, there's always one. No, that come off. So, and there's one up here. Yep. That also won't come off. So we're going to ditch these, don't need this. In there, and then we've got to pull these out. Are they emergency fittings? Yes, they are. We have lights and batteries. And what I've decided to do is just basically get all these out so I can get the back bit drilled out and fixed up to start with. Oh, and then figure out where the wires are going to go. That's a bummer. Some of these, they'll have to come off like that. I think that'll be the best bet. And just looking in this bin as well, Budweiser, Cruz Campo, all in the fridge. Keep that fridge on, might have to help myself to one of them later. And what I'm going to do as well, because this is a straight edge, is put that up there to go. Ah, sugar, it's not going to go that way. Right, so we're going to go this way. So we want to match it up with that, is where it's going to be level. And push it over to go onto that one. And because we've got so many cables coming through to figure out what's going on, I think they're going to be emergency fittings, but there's a carry-on feed for these. I don't know how it's been wired, I didn't do it. So I'm just going to cut a 32mm hole. There's going to be plenty in the middle of each one. That one. Everything just falls. This one. There we go. And then I can get them fitted to the ceiling. There we go. And then we're going to get it up here, and this is the hole where it ought to be in, and just get it on that line. Basically with them small screws. That one on there. That is perfect. Basically you've got to get that on that line. Come that way a bit, there we go. And then these two will hold it up, but I've got to peel some of this blue stuff back. So that's going to be spot on, enough light in here. Centre of the line should be fine for plenty of light in here. Because the fridge is going to be over here, so we just want all the light. Yeah, I reckon they were good. Even though, look, it comes off lovely and easy. Oh, it says. There we go. To make room for my light to go up there. Give it a bit of a peel. And my plan is just to peel Oh, that's under there now. Some of this back, because then the light fitting can go up. Yes, and they can peel the rest of it off at a later date, because I can't be asked to peel it all off, basically. And he says, let there be light. On 2 of them, but we've got a faulty one. That is a fantastic. Oh well, we'll get a new one of them. Bang it, sometimes it helps. Didn't help that time. Right, there we go, we're on. It just goes to show, when you buy brand new things can be faulty. Nightmare.